Welcome, in front of me is a CAT S52 and today I'll show you how to format the SD card. And to get started we'll need to open up settings. From here choose storage, tap on your SD card and go to settings by tapping on three dots and stored settings. And as you can see we have now the option to format. Tap on it, it will give you an message that performing this will remove all the data from the card, and if there's anything that you'd like to keep you might want to back it up beforehand, otherwise you will lose it. And anyway, tap on format SD card, process will begin, only takes about 5 seconds to 10, and once it's finished, which it should be right about now, tap on done and you're finished. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.